Hi, I'm Steve. Welcome back to the Eagle's Nest. Suddenly I'm Ron Jaworski.
Hi, I'm Ron Jaworski.
Hi, I'm Steve. Welcome back to the Maker's Cave. And today we're going to continue with our Eaglemoss Enterprise 1701D build. And this is going to be issue 5 with kits 15, 16, 17, and 18. 15 looks like we're going to be doing some more framework. Specifically, it looks like on the gooseneck. 16, again, some more framework. 17 looks like we might be doing some deck work. There's a piece here with a magnet and, surprise, more framework. And of course, kit 18. It looks like we're going to be doing again some work on the gooseneck, but I see clear pieces in here, which means we have the fun of doing some windows. So I'm going to take all the screws out, put them in our container, bring you guys forward, and we'll start building. So we're going to start with issue 5 here and go to stage 15 is our first one. And it wants us to bring back the half oval we've been doing. Okay, maybe we need to go out a little bit to see everything.
Why don't you get these out of the way so you have room to work?
Big model. We need lots of room here to work. Because here's the frame, here's the book, and we're going to start by flipping it over like this. And we're going to start off with one of these pieces right in here. The smaller of the two. And that's going to go... No, I'm sorry, it's the wider of the two. It's going to go right in here. And they get held in with a BM screw. And I want to put our rapid tap right up here because we are going into metal. Give it a little dip. Now it needs us to take part 15B, which is this one right here. That's going to go right in here. Okay, so that's in. Now it wants us to come over to this side and do the same thing. And we take this piece. Okay, so we did those pieces. So they want us to take the frame, move it this way, and then this is going to go, it's going to live right here. And of course they get held on with some BM screws. Both screws are in. We're going to take this, move this aside, and they want us to bring back, by creaky chair, the gooseneck. Looks like we're going to be doing some lighting in here as well. Oh no, we're just, if you can see right in here, here I'll zoom in while I do this. There's this one LED right here for this section of windows here. You've got to bend this up, which I'm always nervous doing. I'm afraid I want to break a lead off. In order for us to get part 10F in there. Kind of got to slide in under there. There we go. It's in there. And that gets held in with a BP screw. As you can see, there's the here's the shuttle bay door. All right, now they want us to do the opposite side. So again, I have to bend these leads up, making me nervous. All right. Slide these down again. Trying not to press too hard to break anything. Alright, so alright, what I want to do is, against better judgment, I'm going to loosen this panel up a little bit. I think that might be what's giving me some grief there. There we go.
Oh, you didn't have that pushed up, that's why. I could see the gap.
So again, here we are. There is the shuttle bay. Shuttle bay 2, shuttle bay 3. Flip this over like this. We are on to the next page, which is stage 17. I'll put this over here for now. And we're bringing back, oh, I'm sorry, no, we are introducing the battle bridge. Someone pointed out that in stage 15 we never used this, which is a framing for the gooseneck. I think they just supplied this. We don't quite use this yet. All right, so we're going to do stage 17 now. It's the battle bridge. I was using this piece, and if you flip this over, there's 2 magnets. I think this is what's going to hold some of the gooseneck in place. So we got this here, and then he wants to bring part 17D, and it's of course got pins with these registration holes here. Snaps into place. It looks like it's just a press fit. There's no screws or anything that holds it in here. And we're going to put this aside because it's got us bringing back the frame. And if you can see here in the directions, we're going to be cleaning it off with the frame that they gave us in this kit. Alright, so this is, I take the book out so I can read it. Alright, so this goes in here and they get held in with some BM screws. Alright, that's in there. So now they want us to take this piece and span it across here. And of course more BM screws. Okay, now join the rest of this down here. They don't have one of these wide pieces anymore. They got this little bar they want us to use right here. And that's going to go right under here. And surprisingly, they get held in with a BM screw. Again, I'm just going to lightly start this so it holds it in place. Then I'll come to the other side and screw that in. Now you don't want to overstrip these screws, but you want to make sure they're snug in there too. Because that's when the short, or later on when we start putting the whole pieces on there, you don't get any light leaks. If the frame is nice and secure. Even though I used rapid tap, this one screw is giving me a bit of a hassle going in. There we go. Need one more BM screw. There we go. That is in there. Nice and tight. So that was step B of stage 17. Turn the page, and we are on to 18 already. Look at that. We're moving right along. And we want to remove the clear windows. So this is where you take your real good clippers, flush clippers. We'll clip these out and then we'll put them in the hole. Okay, so we took out all the blacked out windows, all the clear windows, right here and here. Now I'll zoom in a little bit here. And now we're going to fill it up, and we're going to use the same pattern that they have. I'm not going to do anything fancy. Okay, so all the windows are in. Now it wants us to take these two pieces right here. Okay. And he wants to put 4 DM screws in here first, just to hold down the centers, because the next step is going to be putting some lights in. So we're going to need some DM screws. Okay, all 4 of these screws are in, 2 in each inside center. I want to put my fingers against here and go over just to make sure all the windows stayed in place. They did. Now they want us to put some lights in. Take one of the deck panel lights, 18F, and insert both of its bulbs into the slots. Green and yellow go up top. I don't know if it makes a difference, but I'm going to make sure. It's in there. And this one goes in under here. So those both are in here, and of course they get held in with some DM screws. As far as doing windows, panels, and lightings, this has got to be the easiest one I've done. Yeah, knock wood. Now we take the other one and green and yellow up top. All right. Okay, all those lights are in. They want us to test them now. So we bring back our testing board. Okay, I don't know if you can see that or not. There you are. The lights light up. All right. That was step C. We are done with issue 5. So I'm going to leave that plugged up for a second as we summarize. We did a lot of framework. Finished up the whole oval today. That was cool. We did this panel here with the lights, and I don't think we did any. Oh yeah, and with this piece we did the 2 shuttle bay doors here and here. And what's more interesting is we did this part of the battle bridge right here, which just gets left here. We were also sent this cobra neck here which we did nothing with. It looks like the battle bridge might snap onto here with some magnets. That's about it. And they also sent us this Cobra neck frame, which we didn't do anything with yet. So we'll just keep those parts. So that is it for issue 5. That concludes this issue of our Eaglemoss Enterprise 1701D build. I hope you had fun watching me do it, and I hope you picked up some tips and tricks. There'll be links below to anything that I used today. If you did find this helpful, be sure to hit the like button. And if you want to see more of what's coming out with this build, my other builds, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when they come out, hit the bell. Until the next time, thanks for stopping by the Maker's Cave. I'm Steve.